Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this quick dinner with chicken and vegetables. First things first is mixing your vegetables together. I use some potatoes, carrots, red and green bell peppers, some zucchini and some eggplants. And then I brought my lined baking tray and poured the mixed vegetables onto the tray. And then I went ahead to add my onions to this. And then after this, I seasoned with my favorite seasonings. I'm going to put what I use in the description box below, and you can add or remove whatever seasonings you liked. I use some salt, ground pepper, oregano, curry powder. I went ahead to add my chili oil. The video to this is in my channel. I'm going to link it so that you can make yours. Then I added some seasoning cubes and mixed this all together until all the seasonings were combined and incorporated. Then I went ahead to get my chicken and laid this on top of my vegetables, and then I slit holes on top of the chicken just so that all the seasonings can get into the chicken properly. I used some salt and some seasoning cubes, and then I added the same chili oil that I talked about. I'm going to link it, so don't worry, you can make yours and recreate this recipe. After that, I went ahead to mix and mix and mix this very well until all the flavors got into the chicken, because you want it to be well seasoned and flavored. And I'm telling you guys, these flavors made this chicken amazing. After mixing it all together, I put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, and then I brought this out and sprinkled some cheese on top and put it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes. And then I brought it out and it was ready. I served mine with the vegetables and the chicken. Just easy and nice and amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos.